Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical and All-Star Medical. If you're a subscriber on this page, you enjoy learning about bizarre medical content. We discuss dermatology, medical case studies, and everything in between. So today, I want to tell you about our Facebook page. Also, stick around for the end of the video as I'm going to tell you about what we know about this case study. Any idea what is wrong with her legs? Okay, back to our Facebook page. Because YouTube seems to age restrict and censor more and more of our content, we've decided to make a serious effort to grow our Facebook page into our flagship social media channel. So we're asking you to click the link in the description below and like the page. In the meantime, we're providing about 5 new videos on that page every single day. We're also posting images, medical case studies, and tons of amazing links. We'll share videos from Dr. Gilmore, Dr. Sandra Lee, Josefa Reina, and more. And we'll have plenty of blackheads, like this. Dilated pores, like this. And blackhead masks, like this. We'll also have things like abscesses, drainage and incision, and all sorts of content that YouTube seems to censor or delete. Last week, YouTube deleted our page called All-Star Medical Dermatology Focus. They gave no reason, but opted to delete a page with 65,000 subscribers and 100 million views. That's when we decided it's best to focus on building our Facebook presence. Leave a comment below. Do you think they should be deleting pages with no community guideline strikes, no copyright violations, and a huge fan following? Regardless, please check out our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/freakymedical. The page name is cystbursting.com. However, it deals with all types of educational medical content. Oh yeah, and here's what a surgeon had to say about our previous case. 37-year-old female, intrauterus death complicated with sepsis. Macetated baby delivered 2 weeks ago. Now she has developed bilateral foot/lower leg swelling with blisters for 3 days duration. She developed AKI as well. They're unsure what caused the problem with their feet. Any ideas? Leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching. Adios. See you over on Facebook. Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.